Hello everyone. Actually, according to my life experience, I'm very small to explain you this topic. But according to my professional experience, I can say you how you can maintain a healthy life after crossing 40 years. So my today's topic of video is about the life principles to follow after crossing of 40 years of age to maintain a healthy life. Because many of my patients or many of my patients' parents complain about the health issues or the mental stability like frustration, depression, these all or hormonal imbalance complaints. These all they will complain when they come to my OPD. So I thought to explain you a life principles how you have to follow your life routine after crossing 40 years to be healthy. So this is Dr. Meenakshi. Welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medica. First principle is exercise or yoga. Daily 1 hour. Though you don't say that I'll not be free, I can't manage 1 hour, because these are what all principles I am saying. Compulsorily, you should follow by hook or crook, like by transferring your schedule or by changing your schedule. You have to maintain this compulsorily after crossing 40 years so that your health will be in a good way. So daily compulsorily 1 hour separately keep for your yoga or exercises or minimal walking. You can start your day with a walking. After coming back, minimal exercises or yogas or simple meditation you can follow. For 20 to 30 minutes, you can do yoga. Then after coming home, or you can practice there only. If you have an open field where you go for walking, then you can practice 20 to 30 minutes yoga or exercises there only. So keep your 24 hours 1 hour for yoga or exercise. Next principle is hydrate your body nicely. Obviously, in all ages, you should be hydrated, but especially after 40 years, you should maintain your hydration of a body in a correct way, because your body is going to change after 40 years. Maybe your systems of a body, maybe your sense organ, maybe your mental capacity, or maybe basic hormonal imbalances, these all will start after 40 years. So maintain the hydration level in a peak, especially after 40 years. Have juices, fruit juices, or have coconut water, or have buttermilk daily, according to your prakritis or according to your preferable diet. Because if I compulsorily say you should have juice only, diabetic people can't have fruit juices daily, right? Or if I say daily have buttermilk, some like sinuses condition or who have respiratory allergies, they can't have buttermilk daily, right? So depending on your condition of a health, depending on your prakriti, any liquid diet, maintain your liquid diet in a peak level. Keep your body hydrated. Next principle is have sattvic food. What is this sattvic food? Ideal food. Because till 35 to 40 years, our GIT will be in our control. It will be very strong. Whatever we eat, it will get digested and it will have the results. But after 40, our GIT will become weak. It can't digest whatever we eat. So choose wisely your foods which are suitable for your GIT. Basically, have sattvic food, that is ideal food. Almost avoid junk foods or the maida items or the foods which are disturbing your GIT. Have a look on it and select the foods which are ideal for your GIT. Next principle is about mental fitness. Obviously, from 20 to 50 years, how our age will be, we have to earn, we have to build home, or we have to get settled in home, we have to settle our kids. This will be our mentality, right? But whatever you worked from 20 to 40 is one side, but whatever you're working after 40 years is one side. If you're professionalist also, take a pause in your work weekly once. I'm not saying like pause means take 1 month break or 2 months break. Just weekly once, take a spend time with your friends and family, share your feelings with others, so that sharing is the basic mental fitness. if you share whatever you're feeling with friends or relatives, it will give you a good vibes. But don't share with the friends or relatives who will feel negative in your mind. Share with your persons who gives you positive vibes. If you share something, they should support you, or they should make you to feel happy. So make a circle of good friends and families and relatives, and share your feelings with them, so that they will give some positive support to you. So because of that, you will feel relaxed, whatever you have tensions or whatever you have feelings. Another thing, take a affirmation, like positive affirmation, like in normal mental counselings also, like in mind counselings also, they will say, right? uh, think positive, be positive, take a good affirmations, so that your mind will be in a good way, right? So in same way, what if you repeatedly think in a negative way, your mind will be in negative way only. And with your negative thinking, obviously your immune system also will become low. They had a survey about it. But if you're a positive, and if you have a positive attitude, obviously your immune system also will be good, and you will have a positive things in your life. So always be positive, think positive, and do positive. And next principle is, always after 40 years, have your profile checked for every 6 months. Total health profile check. It may be diabetes related, it may be thyroid related, everything. Health profile check you have to do for every 6 months to 1 year after the age of 40. Because after the 40, our every functioning of a body will degenerate or will get changed. Whatever we have the hereditary diseases, it is a preferably, they will say that after 40 years you may get the hereditary diseases like diabetes maybe, or any kind of hereditary diseases maybe, will be attacked for your body after the age of 40 years. So uh, it may be one thing about hereditary, and another thing is how you maintained your body till 40 years. It will react after 40 years. If you are healthy, then obviously still some more years you will be healthy. But if you are disturbed in nearly 40 years only, obviously some changes may happen in your body after 40 years. So usually have health profile check for every 6 months to 1 year. So last tip is, always be laughing. Laughing means don't sit and laugh simply. We can't do that, right? Everyone will think that we are mad. Laugh means obviously be positive. Don't expect anything from others. Usually after 40 years, what will happen? We will expect something from kids to respect us, to care us, or we will expect from others like family members maybe, or any others maybe to support us, or the big thing after 40 years we want to get settled soon, so we will be having those frustrations and depression about settling and making money, making building, making wealth, everything, right? So don't do it. Obviously whatever you are earning and how you are earning, it depends on your life settlement. But if by taking frustration or by taking stress, the stress only is the basic cause which hampers all the other things are in the body. So keep your mind calm. Laugh means obviously by laughing, your all facial muscles will be relaxed and exercised, activated. So by laughing, you will make your mind cool, calm, without stress. And also, if you maintain your stress level in a low way, then obviously your health will be very good. Laugh means nothing but see comedy videos or comedy movies. Actually, by taking a break, also, what we will do if we go a movie, then we will go to some horror movies or some sad story movies, sad climax movies. Still, we will think about it and we will get depressed. We are already depressed in our life activities, and by thinking or by seeing the frustrated movies, even we are getting still depressed, right? So don't do it. If you're going for movie, or if you're taking break also, go for comedy movies, or see some weekly once see some comedy shows, and also have a good friend circle. I mentioned in last point also, because now people how they are, if anyone are growing, then they will pull their leg and they will make still depressed. Or if you're doing any more activities, they will pull you by saying what you're doing, why you're doing, you should not do that. And they will pull your leg and they will drag you back, right? So avoid such people. Have a good circle who will support you, or who will stimulate you for working, or if you're depressed, who will stimulate you for laughing. Have a good circle and be laughing and be positive. So follow this all tips or principles, life principles, to maintain your health in a healthy way after crossing 40 years. So by following these principles, be happy, be fit, and be healthy. If you want more such videos, or if you have any still more principles that you can follow, because as in initial video I mentioned, I am very small to explain these points according to my age experience. But whatever I explained you, it was according to our professional experience. If you have any such still principles that we can follow after 40 years to maintain our health, you can comment in a comment section box. Even I'll follow and I'll go through the points. This is Dr. Meenakshi signing off. Thank you.